This is Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cover for your Amazon KDP Kindle edition book. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and let's get started. And actually, before I dive into Amazon KDP, just a little bit of background about myself. I've been an Amazon Kindle publisher, a KDP publisher, for more than 10 years. I started a series in 2012 called the In 30 Minutes series. The first book was Dropbox in 30 Minutes. And since then, I've really expanded it. I think KDP is a pretty solid program for serious writers or serious publishers. And indeed, I've been able to use that to build up my publishing business over many years. So this is how you change the cover for an Amazon KDP book. So first of all, log into your account. You should see something like this with all of your books there. And then what you want to do, click the three dots, the More Actions button, and then select Edit eBook Content. And you'll come to this particular page. So this is a book I published some years ago, and let's say that I wanted to update the cover for that. So scroll down to where it says Kindle eBook Cover. Okay, we recommend a book cover for a good reader experience. So that's kind of goes without saying. And then it shows that cover uploaded successfully. This is from the last time I did it, which was, I think, 5 years ago or something. So I have some slight changes to this particular cover. So I'm going to upload a new cover. One thing you should understand before you get into this is what the requirements are for KDP covers. And if you go to, just search for Amazon KDP cover guidelines, you'll come to this particular page. It outlines what the file should be in terms of the size, the number of pixels, the format, and also the size of the file. So it should be a file that's 50 megabytes or smaller. In fact, if it's more than 5 megabytes, I'd have some questions about whoever the cover designer is. There's many places to get a cover designed. I have a professional cover designer, and actually, let's go back to this one here. So here it is right here. This is the cover. I've made a couple updates to the color. So I'm going to replace the existing one with this one. And it basically looks almost the same. I just changed some of the color profile so it looks better on Amazon.com. So let's go back to this particular page, Kindle Direct Publishing, the ebook content page. Scroll down to Kindle ebook cover. Click Upload your cover file. And then find it. So it is, I have to dig around a little bit. So it is on Personal Finance 1, cover, and it's this one right here. I'm going to open it up. It says uploading. Now, note that it also has to be a JPEG or a TIFF. So usually most people watching this video, they'll have a JPEG. So it says cover uploaded successfully, processing your file. So this may take a minute or two to go through that. One option that you will have is to preview it after you've uploaded it. So it won't let me launch the previewer, but they're doing some conversion. So in a couple minutes, I might come back and launch the previewer just to make sure that it looks okay. I do recommend taking that step. But basically, that's the long and short of it. So what you're going to do is press save and continue. You'll be brought to the next step. You can see it's still preparing it, but basically I've done what I need to do, and later on the cover should be updated. Usually within 72 hours, I think they approve it. So for more information on how to get the most out of the Amazon KDP program, check out my blog and videos at leanmedia.org. Click on video or blog, search for KDP, and you'll see tons of posts I've made over the years about using KDP and also some of the pitfalls of using Amazon. Thank you so much for watching.